The productive monsoon session of Parliament concluded today. While 15 legislations were passed in the Lok Sabha, the upper house approved 14. The crucial economic reform for One Nation, One Tax, the Goods and Services Tax Bill, was also passed. Parliament also discussed many important issues during the session. Here's a complete report on the monsoon session of Parliament.
The House stands adjourned sine die.
With these words, curtains were brought down sine die on a monsoon session which by all standards of productivity had a stellar run in Parliament. Beginning on the 18th of July, the session not only saw issues of national interest being discussed but also key legislations being passed. Right at the start of the monsoon session, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had appealed to the entire opposition to work shoulder to shoulder to further national interest, and it delivered stellar results. Monsoon session saw Lok Sabha working at 109% of its scheduled duration. Rajya Sabha worked 99%. Both houses passed a total of 13 bills, of which the GST-related 122nd Constitutional Amendment Bill can be dubbed the crowning glory of success.
ऐतिहासिक टैक्सेशन का जो सुधार है, कर सुधार है, हम मानते हैं और दुनिया भी मानती है, ये इस सदी का बहुत बड़ा एक टैक्सेशन सुधार है. इट इज़ ए टैक्स रिफॉर्म ऑफ द सेंचुरी. इतना बड़ा सुधार है.
While the Rajya Sabha deliberated for more than 112 hours during 20 sittings, the Lok Sabha sat for 121 hours. While 15 legislations were passed in Lok Sabha, the upper house cleared 14 bills. Besides the GST constitutional amendment, the bills which were passed include Benami Transactions Prohibition Amendment Bill 2016, Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2016, the Indian Medical Council Amendment Bill, the Dentists Amendment Bill 2016, the Institutes of Technology Amendment Bill 2016, the Compensatory Afforestation Fund Bill 2016, the Enforcement of Security Interest and Recovery of Debt Laws and Miscellaneous Provisions Amendment Bill 2016, and Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Act 2016. Besides, Maternity Benefit Amendment Bill 2016 and the Factory Amendment Bill 2016 were also passed from one house each. Rajya Sabha also passed the Mental Health Care Bill. Government thanked the opposition for cooperation during the monsoon session.
लोक सभा में हमने 15 बिल्स पारित किए हैं. राज्यसभा में 14 बिल्स हमने पारित किया है और कुल मिलाकर के यानी दोनों हाउस 13 बिल्स पारित किया है. मुझे लगता है अपने आप में एक रिकॉर्ड है.
Compared to the earlier sessions, the monsoon session of Parliament was highly productive and satisfactory. To discharge their constitutional duties, members of both houses of Parliament often worked late into the evening. Ever since the Modi government came to power in 2014, nearly 100 bills have been passed in Parliament. Lok Sabha has crossed the century mark in bills passed. 97 legislations have been cleared by both houses. This clearly demonstrates how the government and opposition have the ability to work together, setting aside differences in the best interest of democracy and the country. With Parliament team, Newsnight Desk, DD News.